Horses out, the Abu Witness in Manila. Pass to begin down on the inside. Gabo moving up on the outside. Moment in time. Then comes Big Apo. King Patrick comes next. Playmaker moving up on the outside. Is Blind Ambition and going along for the first turn. We have Witness in Manila by Oralang Kanehapa. Gabo is right behind in second. Aleng back in third is Big Apo. Playmaker in fourth. Then followed by Moment in Time. Blind Ambition comes next. King Patrick moving up on the outside now. Is Enjoy the Flight down on the inside. Senior Cricket Europa. We have Witness in Manila moving up. Gabo now on the outside to take the lead. Gabo takes the lead by Oralenka. Witness in Manila, Dras back in second. Playmaker in third. And followed by Blind Ambition moving up. Enjoy the Flight, King Patrick. We have Gabo by about 2.5 lengths. And in second still is Witness in Manila. Blind Ambition now moving up to take third. Then followed by Playmaker as they come down at the last 150. Gabo by about 6 lengths. Witness in Manila. Blind Ambition moving up on the outside. Playmaker. But it's still Gabo by about 10 lengths now. Blind Ambition. Witness in Manila. Supreme leader. And finally it's Gabo. Second. Supreme leader. Then comes Blind Ambition.
Yun lang narinig natin. Yun lang sinabi ni Denden. 110.